Hey Justin, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to discuss and talk about US Restoration Pros. But before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you can be found on Google, as well as optimize your presence and boost your online presence. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say, for instance, you type in water damage restoration San Antonio. You're going to come up with these sponsored areas up here, which of course is ran by Google Ads. Secondly, uh, you're going to come up to your map pack area, which is your Google Business Profile, which is these three positions here. This right here is a sponsored area, so they're paying for Google Ads to get up here. Now lastly, third way you could be found is this organic section here. You have United Water Restoration on top, Water Damage Restoration San Antonio, and you have Angie in the third. So 70% of your business can be acquired through here. So with that, that's an introduction to the different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get to it. Let's start with a website audit of your website. I really like and how you did your logo up here. It looks really unique. You have a service drop down here, which is pretty clever. I like that. You also have the cities that you serve. So scroll down. Let's just take a quick look. I like how you have these pages set up here. So, but what Google really looks for, and keep in mind, is content. Now, content is king when it comes to ranking a website, and Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000 words of it. So from the looks of it, it looks like you have maybe 30 to 50 words of content, and with that, you also, for every 250 words of content, you want to make sure that you embed a keyword inside of those. So basically, in a nutshell, that's what Google looks for as far as content goes for your website. So let's take a quick look at your competitor, which is United Water. They're at the top in your area. So they have these drop downs here, and they have this content here that they have about their business and what they do. This is always a must-have when it comes to Google ranking your website. So you just gotta keep in mind that for content, Google has these like little mini bots that go take over your whole, excuse me, not take over, but they look and overview your whole website to see, and they crawl to see what you got. So that's basically how that works in a nutshell. So it looks like they got maybe 1,000 words at best in the content area. So definitely, if we did what they're doing and then some, meaning putting 1,500 words of content on your site, we would beat them in content. So, I mean, Google really doesn't care how pretty a website looks, they just care about content. So let's take a quick look. Now that we discussed a little bit about content, let's take a quick look at your backlink profile. Now this is a tool called Ahrefs. You can definitely purchase this tool and use it as well. So this will show you a bird's eye view of your strength and trust, and also the traffic that your website is generating. It also has the keywords as far as volume goes to each one that you are utilizing in your website. Now you're not generating very much traffic in your website. If you're like me, I like to make sure that my website's working for me. So just think of your website as a virtual ATM, so to speak. So let's take a quick look at your competitors and see what they're doing. Remember, they're in the top slot of Google in that service area. So this is kind of what their rating is. They have a whopping 13.5K traffic. So, but they can definitely do better in this area because these two numbers are kind of apart. So they can definitely organically rank with proper SEO backlinking and also using the proper keywords in order for them to rank better for their website. So this is what's going on right now for that service area as far as backlinking goes and the profiles and everything and traffic. So not all backlinks are created equal, but you do want to make sure that you're ranking organically, so that way if someone's searching for your business, Pizza Hut or anything like that, does not pop up. So with that, that's kind of it for as much as what I have for you. But let's just do a quick overview on what we previously discussed. Now, 3 ways you can be found as a sponsored with Google Ads. You can get up here as well as right here. And we also have, secondly, this 30% of your business can be found here, the Google Map Pack area, as long as you optimize your business profile with citations, as well as boosting your photos. That'll be wonderful, along with some 5-star reviews. So thirdly, the organic section, which we discussed previously, as long as you are attaching organic backlinks to your website, you're going to show more trust, more power for Google, and then get you to rank. So we could definitely beat these guys and have you appear on top of that. So with that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me, Joshua at PetersonSEOconsulting.com. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.